On breaking news
today at the Osun State House of Assembly, where Honorable Commissioner Alhaji Abdulganiyu Asejere attended the 2025 budgeting. The chairman of Osun Commissioner Forum and the Honorable Commissioner for Rural Development and Community Affairs in Osun State, Alhaji Abdulganiyu Asejere, today at the Osun State House of Assembly, where Honorable Commissioner Alhaji Abdulganiyu Asejere attended the 2025 budgeting. The chairman of Osun State House of Assembly gave out a good recommendation to Honorable Commissioner Alhaji Abdulganiyu Asejere and team members for well job done.
My name is Honorable
Bello Sulaiman. My name is Honorable Benga Ajay. I'm the SA on RARA, the SSA on CSDA. We are to present a 2025 budget.
We are here today to present our 2025 budget. We are here today with our Honorable Commissioner for Rural Community Affairs, and we have already done our presentation today, which is wonderfully presented. Community Affairs Development Agency. We are here today to defend our budget proposal for the 2025.
It's a privilege for me to be part of today's session, and I'm happy to be part of it. This is the first experience being in the house to defend the budget of the rural community. So the Commissioner have done well in presenting our budget for the year, for the upcoming year 2025.
To the glory of Almighty Allah, the appreciation of what we did in 2025 is very, very effective.
In which the Honorable House was so wonderful today for the recommendation given to the ministry. It's a welcome recommendation. It's very, very impressive.
And encourage. We thank God, even the Speaker of this, our ministry, our performance is excellent. In terms of our rural road, in terms of community development, the two agencies we are dealing with the rural and community development. We have engaged with friends agents across the state. As a local government of the state, we have confronted different routes through the ramp. Our officials scooted about 382 projects under the CSD.
So we thank God for this kind of thing we are facing, and I believe by 2025, what we did in 2024, the 2025 is passing by the grace of God. I also thank Honorable Commissioner for job well done. That is my friend, Honorable Commissioner for Rural, Alhaji Abdulganiyu. He did a wonderful performance in the ministry, and I believe by 2025 another mark will be coming for him. Once again, thank you.
I am Asejere, aka Possible Reporting.